What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be opening up a mystery bag from Pur Cosmetics. As you may know, Pur Cosmetics is one of those brands that loves to put up mystery bags on their website. The value of the mystery bag does tend to vary and I think the price point is usually between $20 to $25. At least that's what I've experienced over the past year. This time around when I ordered though, I only spent $20 on this bag here and it's supposed to be valued at $115. Dollar bills, baby. I'm a nerd, I know. So if you are interested in finding out what is in this fancy little mystery bag, make sure you keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll give you a second. Hit that subscribe button. It's somewhere down here. I know you know where it is. Perfect. I'm gonna start off by saying I have ordered from Pur Cosmetics a number of times now, and what I love most is that their shipping is super fast to Canada. I've never had to wait more than a week to a week and a half, sometimes even less for my package to arrive. Shipping costs are also pretty affordable. It's only $10. Again, not too shabby. And if you are Canadian, the best part is no customs, taxes, or duties. Hi! I was super happy when I got the email saying they were bringing these mystery bags back because I had such a good experience with them the last time I bought them. I think that was in the fall. I ended up getting some really cool items. So I'm just going to cut into this bag. Did arrive early last week and I was dying to open this up. It kills me to just have this sitting on my desk. But anyways, I didn't want to open it until I actually sat here to film. So I did order a couple of other things in here. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is actually a really good sample. Dang! So with my purchase, I ended up putting in a promo code for the mascara trifecta, and they give you 3 really decent sized mascaras. Hang on a second, let me take a look at these. Beautifully wrapped. Yeah, these are really nice deluxe sized samples of their mascara. This is really good. I also wanted to try out their false lashes, so I ended up picking up these. These are in the style called Bombshell. They look like they have a really nice flare to them, but they seem very long, so I don't know, that might be a bit of a problem for me because I wear glasses. But these might be good filming lashes. And what I love is that the mystery bag does come packaged individually, so you don't know what's in here. I'm really excited to tear open into this. And of course it's labeled mystery bag. Cutting into it. I'm not gonna look, I'm not gonna look, I'm not gonna look. I'm just gonna pull something out. What is this? Oh, cool, it's a little makeup case. May the wings of your eyeliner always be on point. How cute is that? I like it. And this is a decent sized makeup bag. Take that out of the plastic. Oh, it's a nice like little plastic case. It feels a little cheap, but you know what? To throw in makeup brushes into this and to take this on the road with you, I don't mind that. That was item number 1. Still not looking. Item number 2. Soiree Diaries palette. Hopefully you watched my Get Ready With Me that I posted I think a couple of weeks ago now. I used this palette to do my eye makeup. This was also something that I had gotten from a masterclass that I went to with Rob Sarsgain. Fantastic palette. Obviously, since I already have one of these, I'll throw this in a giveaway or give it to one of my friends. Ooh, what is this? It's a mascara, I think. Yeah, it's a mascara. This is the Big Look, I guess, mascara, and it has pure argan oil in it. Not sure what the argan oil is supposed to do. Maybe hydrate, make my lashes look longer, who knows. And Cease Crease. So this is an eyeshadow primer. All right. I'm always looking for a good eyeshadow primer, especially since I have a hard time finding a good one for my oily lids. This is a decent size too. And let's see what kind of applicator. Squeezy tube. Let's see what it looks like. White base. And see how easy it blends out. Ugh, it smells weird. I can't quite put my finger on it. It smells like melted plastic. It smells like melted plastic with a twist of chocolate covered raisins. Yeah, that's what it smells like. I think the more I sniff it, the more it smells like raisins. But anyways, it does blend out nicely on the back of your hand. I feel like it does give you a bit of a white cast, so hopefully that'll cover up any veins or crap you got going on your eyes. And it's a little bit tacky, not much, but I'll put this to the test at some point in the very near future. I feel like I've been accumulating a lot of crap lately and I don't have enough time to review everything. And next is the On Point eye pencil. Okay, I hope this is in the color black. No, it's in the color Heartless, which I hope is code for black. Oh, whoa, look at this. It says sharpen this way. Okay, so it's a cream-based product. Oh, but it looks good. Glides on very easily. Feels nice and creamy. We'll have to figure out what the wear time on that is, but I like that it is a twisty lid. And I love that it's black and called Heartless. It just gives me a good giggle. And, oh, there is one more thing. Okay. Oh, ooh, it's a makeup brush. I'll just take the plastic off. This is a utility brush, so it's a nice dome-shaped brush. This will probably be good for a little bit of crease blending, maybe smudging of your shadow on your lower lash line. I feel like it is a very multi-purpose brush. And I just realized the sample mascara that I ended up getting in the bag with my order is the smaller version of this larger one that I got, the full size. That's kind of cool. That was a fun mystery bag. Was it the best that I've ever gotten? Probably not. Was it fun to open? Absolutely. Do I like the products? Most of them I do. I mean, the eyeshadow palette here I already have. The rest of the items I think I can definitely put to some good use. I always love picking up stuff like this. You never know what you're gonna get, especially if the cost of purchase is pretty low and the value is quite high. Pur Cosmetics is usually really good at doing that. Keep an eye out on the Pur Cosmetics website for their next mystery bag, or if this one is still available, I'm not entirely sure. It may be sold out by the time I actually post this video. And that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this rather short unboxing. It was a lot of fun. I always love getting surprised. I never know what's coming. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also connect with me on all of my social media. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I think I might stop using Snapchat or use it a lot less. I really hate the new design. I feel like all of the people that I follow, I have no idea where their stories are anymore. Maybe get like 4 or 5 highlights at the top of my, I don't know, story page, and then the rest is just a bunch of advertisements and really weird compilations of stories that I couldn't care less about. But anyways, I guess the whole point is I'm on Snapchat, just don't like the new layout. Anyhow, I'm gonna link everything for you in the description box below. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you are all having an amazing day no matter where you are in the world. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.